Good afternoon, I'm Ricardo Seixas. I'm with Hipermáquinas Angola, and I'm a member for the management team for the group, and very pleased to be here. So, Hipermáquinas is a group that is established in Angola since 2004, for 21 years now, and we work, and mainly the main company that is Hipermáquinas, and gives the name to the group itself, is a company that and it's a reference in the Angolan industry, extractive industry, in this case in the mining industry, for the diamond mining industry. We operate important projects in Angola, mining projects. We are responsible for all the mining services. We also have some projects of our own, so we are stakeholders and also shareholders in the projects, and all within the scope of mining services. In parallel, we are also I would say the biggest producer for ornamental rock in Angola, and then so we are also producers and exporters in this case, and we operate the biggest quarry for black granite in the whole world, that is situated in Huila province, and it's in Chibia, the specific name, and it's very, I would say, defying and very. I'm very pleased to work with the company because we have all these aspects of our economical activities that allows us to work in these several, I would say, environments, and also the other companies that are with the group. Work in complement with these great areas that we have at this moment, and there is one third area that we have and we are working nowadays, that is public works. So we have a lot to do at the moment. Well, we are involved in several projects, mainly roads, but also projects regarding structures that are related to agriculture, and some dams and so on. And we are also recovering some infrastructure that is related to the rice production. So these are important projects because on the one hand will provide better conditions and water to some of these areas that so badly need it, and the other one is to recover something that is very, I would say, very important for the Angolan economy, that is the rice production. So and besides this, we are also involved with roads, with main roads, national roads, to be specific. So all of these are important and emergent projects that we are involved, and very pleased to work, because we know that there will be something for Angola to enjoy in the future. Well, several, to be honest, and mainly the ones that have to do with teaching. We are, statistically speaking, we are the company within the industry that most invests in social responsibility. Okay, and we are talking about, in these last 3-4 years, we are talking about multi-million investment, dollars in this case. And in every area that we establish to develop some kind of project, the first thing that we do is to bring better conditions to the populations that are nearby our project. We start always with water, try to capture water and create the conditions for this situation to be held long in time. Schools, whenever needed, some kind of infrastructure that is related to health or something related to that, but mainly schools. For instance, in this recent past, in these last 3 months, we delivered 3 schools in Namib. And so it's something that is very... but when we are talking about schools, we're not talking about the school itself. We are talking about school and several infrastructures to support the school. We are talking about houses for the professors or the director. So we have a small, I would say, number of infrastructures that work with the school itself. So I would say within our social responsibility aim, the biggest volume is delivering schools for the areas and the locations where we are at. And I think this is the best way to promote the future of Angola, because if we give the children the opportunity to have some, I would say, better opportunities and better conditions to study, I would say that in the future, these children will be better Angolans, better students, better professionals, and I think the country will have all the gain with this situation. Basically, I think that this kind of event it's always important, because as being within an industry that is so, I would say, restricted, and that needs to grow so much in this near future, because of all the environment and all the situations that it's involved with, it's always important to have events like this, because it gives notability to the companies, first to the country itself, then to the industry that we are talking about, the mining industry, the diamonds industry, and that we know that is suffering a lot of situations right now. And then we need to upgrade and update all the situations related to that, and mainly the companies that work in Angola within this industry. And it's important for the companies to be known, and I think it's also important for the investors that come from abroad and that eventually think to invest in Angola. It's important for them to know that there are companies that are already established here, that are Angolan right companies, and that are competent enough to be their partners in their projects in the future. So I think it's a win-win situation for everyone involved, to be honest.